Hi, my name is Jennifer. I'm the Marketing Outreach Specialist here at Purple. On today's episode of 30 on 3D, we're going to walk through a few examples of 3D parts printed on fabric. We've been using and loving our Stratasys J850 TechStyle printer for a little over a year now. As the name suggests, the machine allows users to 3D print directly on a wide variety of fabrics. With this printer, our technical team has made some really incredible customer projects through our service bureau, done product demos for customers interested in bringing the machine in-house, and my favorite, made some great marketing samples. We'll walk through a few of these samples in a second, but first I want to give you a high-level overview of how the technology works. Essentially, you can take any porous fabric like mesh, denim, Alcantara, and print a design directly onto the fabric. The unique printing process ensures the design is fully adhered to the fabric, as in it's so durable that you can wash it. I have a polo we've printed on, and I've washed it many times, and I've seen no sign of wear. In the 3D design, you can also customize each part of the print, creating unique lenticular effects or fun artistic illusions. It's incredible to watch all of the things our customers have done. I wish I was able to share the details. But for now, here are a few of my favorites from what we can share. This is a giveaway piece that we designed. It's showing a few different patterns with various colors and a small lenticular design. If you've stopped by a Purple Platypus trade show booth recently, you would have seen this chair. It features an interlocking key design and is proof of the durability of this technology. This is our most beloved hoodie in the office. It has a custom Porsche logo that our engineers designed, which was then printed directly onto the hoodie using the alignment fixture. And this last one is my personal favorite. It's a holographic floral design that was printed on mesh. As it moves, the design shifts. This would be an incredible addition to any piece of fashion or accessory. When people think 3D printing on fabric, their gut reaction is fashion, which is true. This is a great application for any fashion designer. It's cutting edge and unique. That being said, we printed parts for customers across a wide range of industries, from consumer goods to automotive. So if you're interested in learning more, getting a part printed, or just seeing the machine in person, please reach out to our team.